Good day, dear traders. Let us review the major economic events of the past week. On Monday, European markets rebounded as positive earnings reports were released by major European companies. Stocks Europe 600 rose 0.2%. S&P 500 hit the weekly high amid expectations of positive earnings reports and added 0.1%. Gold prices continued to fall. The investor expectation that the US economy recovery would result in an increase in outstanding loans was not justified. Brent crude oil futures climbed to the weekly high level. Chinese exports outperformed the economist forecasts, which triggered a commodity demand reassessment. Brent added 1.7%. US stocks closed at record high for a fifth straight trading session on Tuesday. The National Federation of Independent Business reported its small business optimism index rose 0.8 point in October, a two-month high. Major European benchmark also ended the trading session higher. Investor optimism in Europe was boosted by upbeat earnings reports. US stocks fell on Wednesday as falling oil prices and heightened geopolitical risks turned investors cautious. European markets closed lower as banking shares declined. The companies agreed to pay a multi-billion-dollar fine to settle allegations that their traders helped rig currency markets. Brent crude fell further from a 4-year low amid signs that OPEC remained unwilling to reduce oil production. On Thursday, European markets were in a state of anticipation. Despite the negative data of the fuel oil sector, stocks Europe 600 slipped only 0.1% as positive quarterly GDP data were published in Germany and France. WTI crude oil prices kept falling, recording the longest run of price drops over the past 3 decades. Brent crude oil also dropped 0.7%. The US dollar consolidation associated with the expectation of interest rate hike next year resulted in a 2.1% drop in gold prices over the last week. In early trading on Friday, before the start of holidays, US stocks traded in a narrow range. Mainland stock indices in China fell before the Shanghai-Hong Kong Stock Connect program launch on November 17. European markets traded higher as positive data on economic growth in Germany and France boosted stock prices. Gold prices fell 1% on Friday due to the US dollar strengthening and positive macroeconomic statistics released in the United States. This was all for the past week. See you next week.